Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sell YesCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first what you want to do is go to Telegram, type in /start, and then click on play for airdrop. From there, you want to go to the bottom left under earn and connect your wallet. From here you just want to follow the on-screen instructions so that you have your wallet, and from there you want to go to any exchange marketplace like Binance, Coinbase, whatever that can accept your wallet and that also can sell YesCoin. And that's it. You have to be aware that not all of the exchanges will have YesCoin. You just have to find the one that has it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.